Welcome back everyone to JJ Central DIY channel. Today we're going to see how to change a cabin air filter on a Nissan Rogue 2nd generation, and this goes from all the way from 2014 to 2020. And normally cabin air filters are behind the glove box, but in this case it is not. It is actually slightly even further to the left. You don't even have to take the glove box out. So the engineers did something a little more easier. At the same time, you have to really get yourself behind here and see this little door. Put your finger into that hook and pull and wiggle it. That comes out. As you can see, the cabin air filter is right there. See how hard it is to get in there? It is even harder to film in these areas clearly, so you can do it yourself. So just for that reason, give me a like and a subscription or whatever you gotta do so I could make more videos like this and save you money. Now all we have to do is pull this out, and that is not easy because it won't come out straight. You have to squeeze it in the middle to make it slightly smaller for it to come out. Let's do that. Okay, this filter hasn't been changed in probably a couple of years, so we are going to be looking at a whole lot of mess. One thing to notice before we take the old one out and throw it is the air filter direction. So see this arrow pointing from the front of the car to the back of the car? That's how the air is flowing, and I can prove that as well because, as you can see, all the dirt is actually caught on the back side of this filter and the front side is relatively clean. Now we know the air is flowing through this way and this way. It's important to put it properly because the new filter also comes with those same arrows indicating the airflow. Let's keep that in mind. Now it's a good time for us to take the vacuum and clean everything up, suck everything from in there, and then we'll put the new filter. Today we're going to be using this replacement Spearhead filter. You can use any brand you want. I can put some links in the description so you can pick it up. It's about $15, $20 range, even cheaper sometime. Now this is a charcoal activated cabin air filter, which is good for reducing odor. All right, now how do you put this in? So it's a special kind of paint to put this in. First thing you do is get it to a shape like this, completely squished up like that. Only then you can fit it into that. Nissan engineers are some special kind of people who like to see your pain. So here it is. That's how it goes. Like I said, the arrow should be pointing from that front of the car to the back of the car. That's the airflow it came in. Now let's try putting this in. Okay, it goes in that direction, but it has to be severely squished. As you can see, I'm halfway in, and you do little at a time. Basically squish it that way, make it less height, and go inside inch by inch. And once it's in, which actually it is now, you can kind of straighten it out to fit the shape of the rectangle instead of that fin fold. There it is, you can see. Now we should be able to put the lid back on. Okay, make sure you hear the click, and that's it. That's how you would install a cabin air filter. Such a pain to be tucked in there, and that's why you give the mechanics the big bucks. But if you're able to do it, you would save $50, $100, whatever the Nissan dealer charges. So hope this was helpful. I'll put the link in the description of that filter. You can do it yourself, and also check out the engineer filter video for this car that I'll link below as well. All right, I'll see you in the next video.